Hi guys, today is a new video and today my dad was teaching me how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So I thought I'd make a video of it and share it with you guys. So let's start how to make the Rubik's Cube.
Okay, so step 1 is going to be we are going to make a white daisy. Okay, so all the pieces in the middle we need to bring them here. So 1 2 3 2 3, and then where is the fourth piece? It's here, so it needs to come here. See, so that's a white daisy. Now we need to pull these 4 back here with the white, so we'll make a white cross. Step 2. So let's do that. We align this and then turn. You see, now you have a white cross. Next step is we are going to make the full white side. So all these pieces on the corners we have to put it back. So we align this like this, move it. And this here. So you see, now you have a white side. Now we are going to make these 2 layers complete. So we're going to make these blue, these orange, and so on. So let's start that. Only one is remaining, orange. So each time we are doing these moves, we are moving pieces. So you see, white is done and 2 layers are done. The next step would be to get a yellow cross here. So let's go there. See, next step is done. The step after this is going to be to make this full side yellow side. So let's start that. Done. So we made the white side, we made these 2 layers, we made the yellow layer. The next step is going to be all the corners, to align all the corners like this, to have all the corners. So you see, now you don't have here, so we are going to make that right now. Let's go. See, done. So last remaining piece is to put all these pieces together, bring this here. So that's going to be the next move. Done. We're done, guys.